What's up, folks? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of espresso coffee using a regular drip coffee maker. So first and foremost, you need some fine ground dark roast coffee. I'm going to use Cafe Bustelo. You need a tablespoon measure, coffee filter, and your coffee maker. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take exactly 2 tablespoons, mostly level, it could be slightly heaping. There you go. 1 and okay, so that's 2 slightly heaping tablespoons in the filter. And then we put the filter up here in place. Lift up the lid. And we get the water, which I've already poured in here. You want to fill it up to the 2 line if you're making it for 1 person. So just under the 2 line will get you a nice triple espresso, I'd say, by most people's standards. Okay, so you pour the excess water out, set it up, and then voila. Okay, a few minutes later, the coffee is finished. And we have roughly a triple espresso by most people's standards. So we'll pour it in the cup. Oh yeah, it's good. Now if you don't have lemon peel, you can use some of this and just sprinkle a few drops, spritz a few drops in there. And that's it. Serve, sweeten accordingly.